I can't believe what I just discovered. AI isn't just something for the future, it's shaping our world right now. In this episode, we'll dive into the latest breakthrough that could change the way we live and work forever. Welcome back to AI News, Innovations Shaping the Future. Today, we're peering into the crystal ball to predict the AI landscape of 2025. Imagine a world where AI not only assists, but leads innovation across industries. Let's explore what that could look like. AI in robotics. Picture robots not just performing repetitive tasks, but also making complex decisions. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots will work alongside humans, optimizing production lines with precision and efficiency that was once unimaginable. Think of AI-powered tractors that don't need brakes. They work day and night planting crops, even in bad weather. Machine learning. By 2025, machine learning algorithms will be so advanced they can predict consumer behavior with startling accuracy. Retailers will use this to tailor shopping experiences, offering personalized products and services before you even know you need them. Imagine walking into a store, and your favorite items are already on display, just for you. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP will revolutionize how we communicate with technology. AI will not only understand but also engage in nuanced conversation, making customer service bots indistinguishable from human agents. You'll talk to your smart home devices as if they're part of the family, asking them to cook dinner or book a vacation. But with these advancements come challenges. The conflict. How do we ensure AI remains ethical? There's the risk of job displacement, privacy concerns, and the fear that AI might make decisions we can't control. Can we trust AI with our personal data? What if AI decides on our behalf in critical situations? The resolution. The future of AI isn't just about technology. It's about how we integrate it into society. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines for AI use, educate and prepare the workforce for an AI-driven economy, ensure AI systems are transparent and accountable. The takeaway. AI's potential to revolutionize 2025 is immense, but it comes with responsibilities. We must navigate this future with a balance of excitement and caution, ensuring AI benefits all of humanity. Thanks for watching AI News, Innovations Shaping the Future. If you want to stay updated on the latest AI breakthroughs, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Let's continue exploring how AI is changing our world.